Guys, it's Margaret with Sassy Southern Shopper Mom, and welcome to my Halloween house tour. I'm getting started with showing you our outside decorations, and mainly starting with our cemetery that we built in our flower bed. The majority of these decorations did come from the Dollar Tree. Now this mum that I did get, I went ahead and stuck the witch's legs into it to look like a witch crashed right into that mum. And then as you come up onto my front porch, I do have a little wooden basket that is part of my fall decorations haul, which that video will be up later this month. But I went ahead and used that little wooden crate or basket, whatever you want to call it, strung some spider webs on it and sat my pumpkin on top. And then some of these decorations are from previous years, like the lights around the front door and the little skeleton dude that me and my son made together. And as we head on inside, there is a wreath on both my son and my oldest daughter's bedroom door, and this is a wreath that we made a couple of years ago, and the majority of the items are also from the Dollar Tree. And this cute little light up Witches Crossing sign came from the Avon catalog about, say about 12 years ago. So it's been a while since I have purchased from Avon, but I did buy this from Avon 12 years ago, and I have really enjoyed having this a part of my Halloween decorations. I did string some spider web throughout my house on some of the picture frames, as you can see with this spider up here. And then, as you're going to see in just a moment, our little indoor cemetery that we made that has a haunted house. That haunted house is also another item that I purchased from Avon 12 years ago. And it actually, the lights will actually flicker in it, and there's like two different modes. And then one of the modes, the lights and everything flicker, and it makes like a thunder noise and everything. But it's something that, again, that we've really enjoyed having. I used to actually set it in my front window when we lived in our townhome a really long time ago. I want to take just a moment to remind everyone to go ahead and hit that thumbs up down below and like this video. Also, if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, I would truly love for you to join my YouTube family. If you just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and if you don't want to miss any of the content that I post, if you hit that bell and then hit the all, that will notify you of all videos and content that I post on my channel. And again, I would thoroughly enjoy having everyone join my YouTube family. Okay, everybody, that is it for this video of my Halloween house tour. I hope that you enjoyed seeing all my decorations set up throughout my house and outside. Don't forget to check me out over on Instagram, Sassy Southern Shopper Mom, where you will find more pictures of daytime photos of my decorations if you'd like to see what the cemetery looks like out front during the day. And again, thank you everyone who has already subscribed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.